Hello and welcome to today's video. So today I am opening my Play by Sephora, the January box. I'm super excited. So thanks to one of my subscribers, Kathy, I now know how to tell what variation I have in my box. So I have variation 261. So last month I heard there was 11 variations. It always seems like there's so many. Like I rarely ever see anyone get the same exact box as me. I've only watched about 1 or 2 videos so far and I do not know what's coming in mine, so I am going to get unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Sephora Play, this is a $10 a month subscription, obviously from the beauty company Sephora, and you get about 5 sample size beauty products each month and then 1 bonus item. The bonus item is generally like a perfume sample or a foil packet, something like that. I really do enjoy this subscription. You do get smaller samples, but they're from really good luxury brands, so it's really nice to try them out before you splurge and get the full size. So let's see what is in this month. So when you open it, this is what it looks like, and there is generally always a card like this that folds out. And on it has some beauty insider points. So every month we get this. So this is a card for 50 beauty insider points. And there's always a theme. It looks like this is like a horoscope. So it says your 2019 beauty scope. Sun, moon, planets, makeup, skincare. It's all connected. Find out what your horoscope says about your 2019 beauty style. So I am a Taurus. My birthday is May 5th. So let's see what my horoscope is. It says, serenity does the body good for this Epicurean earth sign. You love soothing aromas and succulent flavors. Bring that calmness into your beauty routine with a tea or latte that's infused with skin-loving ingredients. I did hear that people are getting teas. Like Abadab's got a mushroom tea in hers, so I wonder. I'm like seeing if I could tell if I do. I don't know if I do right now, but I wonder if they know my birthday and they're gonna include that. Like if it's personalized, I don't know. But anyways, they don't give the little like drawstring bags anymore. They give these little Ziploc bags, which I don't mind. It's nice if you wanted to reuse it, you could. Like if you're traveling or something, you want a waterproof bag. So the first thing I see is CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum by Sunday Riley. And I actually received a full size of this before. I can't remember if it was like in a Lure or Box of Style or something like that. I actually left it at this man I used to date's house, so I haven't been using it, so I'm happy to get a sample size because I do like it. And I forgot to mention on the back of the like horoscope, it has all information and pictures of everything that you're getting and a little bit of information. It does not include the full size pricing. I'm pretty sure this is $85 full size though. Let's see what it looks like. So is this all the way full? I can't really tell how much is in here, but it is 5 ml sample, so at least a few uses. So this is a fast absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten the skin, and why it's Cosmos approved. Dullness doesn't stand a chance with this radiance inducing treatment that fights the look of dark spots and discoloration while visibly plumping skin. Says to use it, apply a dime size amount to clean dry skin morning and night. So I'm excited to get this again. I love Sunday Riley. I am so excited to get my Allure box. All my boxes are so late this month. Like it's the, what, 25th today and I'm just getting like some of my boxes, I don't know. But in the Allure box we're supposed to get like 2 new Sunday Riley products. I already use a few. I've been using their, the acne one, the UFO oil, and it made my skin purge. If you don't know what that is, like sometimes when you start using acne medication, it like makes your skin cell turnover go a little bit faster. So if you had some pimples going on underneath the skin, they all just come out, and it was like around the time of the month, so I just have a lot going on there, but it's doing its job at least. I'll keep you updated on that, and I'll stop rambling about Sunday Riley, but that is my current like skincare product or skincare company I'm using, and I really like them, so happy about this. That's my point. Okay, I did get the tea. I actually might have gotten the same exact variation as Abby, huh? But this is the 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Golden Latte Mix Beautify with shiitake and turmeric, creamy turmeric tea. There's 3 tea bags. So I will try this. I mean, is there at least caffeine in it? I'm one of those people, I just like drinks with a purpose. So like water for hydration, coffee for caffeine, and like alcohol. Like, so I mean, I guess there's like good for you ingredients in here, but I don't really drink tea unless there's caffeine in it. I can't see. It doesn't say on here. But anyways, did I show you what that looks like? Let me read this. But this is it. You know, I want makeup and skincare. I mean, hopefully it tastes good at least, but anyways. A drinkable blend of natural ingredients that delivers a glow from within radiance. Why not drink your beauty? This lightly sweet, dairy-free latte is made with powerful mushrooms, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, which support full body well-being. Mix with 7 ounces of hot water, then drink up. I mean, I'll try it, but this does not excite me. Like, I don't mind getting skincare. I don't mind even getting hair stuff. Like, you know, I just love, love, love beauty products. This will probably sit in my pantry for a while, but I'll try it later. Maybe I'll probably post like on my Instagram stories or something about this. So if you're not yet following me, I always leave my social media links in the description box, so make sure to do so. But yeah, I'm not a mushroom hater. I'll try it, but if it had caffeine, I'd be a little bit more excited. Oh, I've seen, yeah, this I'm the most excited about. So this is a Bite Beauty Lippy. This is in glass or glacé, or I'm not sure. Read that? I probably can't read that. It's G-L-A-C-E. So this is a matte cream lip crayon. So I just did a video actually doing first impressions on my ColourPop mystery bag. So I just applied a lippy, so I'm not going to try this today. And it looks like this is actually my only makeup items, but I will try this soon. So I like to always like use my new makeup in my videos that are right after. So, but this is a pretty good size. I'm going to try, see how much is in here. Okay, I don't want to keep going, but there's at least this much, so that is a good size. I don't want to keep going because I have had that happen to me before when I broke something when I took it all the way out to show how much was in it. But I think this color looks pretty. Let's swatch it. Oh my god, this is like a pretty mauve color. I love it. I can't wait to wear this. I really, really like my Bite lipstick I've got in my FabFitFun, so I'm so excited about this. I think this makes up for the tea. So it says this is a high pigment lip crayon in dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. The longwear formula makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals in moisture for a water resistant and hydrating finish. To use, line your lips and fill in the center. Tip, sharpen as needed and use the shavings to add color to your cheek. See, I don't know if I'd do that. I feel like you can like scratch your skin with the shavings, but I'll see what it looks like. Wait, why do you need to? You don't need to, it's retractable. So that's just like a tip. So if you want to use it on your lip, on your cheeks. I probably won't do that, but if you're in a pinch, yeah, you can probably just even put it in your hand or your face directly. But anyways, let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's something else by Bite. I'm pretty sure I got the same bag as Abby Dabs. I know a lot of you watch her, so let me know if I did. So this is the packaging. It's a Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. Okay, I have like way too many lip balms in my life, but I like Bite Beauty, so, and this is like a foil packet. This is my bonus item, so it's all good. This is the Agave Sugar Lip Balm and a scrub. So that's kind of cool. It comes with a scrub too. So yeah, so this is like kind of like a foil packet thing. So this is a bonus, so I'm excited to try it. I'm glad it's a bonus item. It is a nourishing formula, cleanses and exfoliates, moisturizes and conditions. So this is a good thing to get in the winter too. Just because, you know, lips are even more dry at this time of year, so, and I like that there's lip balm that goes with it, so you can scrub and do that and then put the lip balm right after, so I'm okay, I'm happy to try this. The next thing I see is by Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask. I am almost out of their lips mask, or the, you know, the cult favorite lip product. Why can't I think of what exactly it's called? So I really need to get another one of that. But I've never tried this and I'm super excited because I've heard good things. So this is what it looks like. Let's see how much comes in it. Oh, they actually kind of filled it. There's like a teeny divot, but it's pretty much full all the way. So that's cool because, you know, sometimes these samples, they kind of jip you. So this is a quick absorbing gel. What does this smell? It has a light scent. Like an aqua type scent. So a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates stressed, parched skin with hydroionized mineral water. Emmy, what are you doing? My cat's trying to get in the closet in here. If you can hear that, that's a cat. Generally anything you hear in the background, it's a cat. But anyways, it says use 1 to 2 nights a week, or whenever your skin needs extra hydration, apply a quarter-size amount, leave on overnight, then rinse in the morning. So I'm excited about this. Because I've noticed when I use this new foundation today, I'm like trying so many new things. This is the first time I used it. I don't generally have like really dry skin, and I exfoliated today, but I saw that it's like clinging to some dryness like right here and around my nose and my chin. And I exfoliate with my, like Friday is my like exfoliating day. Tuesdays and Fridays I use my Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion scrub in the shower, so I don't really know why that's happening, but I think just because of the weather, maybe I'm a little dehydrated, I definitely could use something like this. Okay, and I really did want this, so I am happy I got this. This is the Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. So this is used to effectively clean beauty blender and all makeup brushes, and I think this seems like something that's easy to use, and I am one of those lazy people that is not good about washing my brushes, so I'm like, maybe this will help me use it, or clean them more often. So this is a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. And they say a new year means fresh start, deep cleanse your beauty sponges and brushes with this effective formula for even better makeup application. So wet your sponge or brush, then run over the soap to create a lather. Gently squeeze out the water and repeat until clean. Set out tools to dry. So yeah, this seems pretty easy. So I'm just gonna leave this in the bathroom right by this room where I keep my dirty brushes. The pile's getting really big that I have to clean. So I'm excited to try this out. So I'm definitely happy with this. This is like one of the few things I really wanted along with that Bite Beauty Lippy. So just quick recap, got the Sunday Riley product, which I'm happy about because I no longer have it in my collection. Probably should go pick that up though because I really like it and it's $85. The Bite Beauty Lippy, which I'm so excited to try. I love mauve colors. The Laneige Sleeping Mask, excited about that. The Bite Beauty Lip Balm and Lip Scrub, that's fine with me. And then the only thing I guess that doesn't excite me really is the tea. I mean, I'm not like that upset because I like everything else. Like if I didn't like the other products, I'd be like kind of bummed. Like I'd rather have this have been the bonus and the lip scrub and the lip balm be like an item. I think that would make more sense having tea in here if it was a bonus item. But anyways, what do you guys think? Did you guys get this box too? Do you know what variation you had? I'm really curious now if other people know the variation number, but I'm pretty sure I've seen this one before, so I'm not sure how many there are this month. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, what did you guys get? Did you guys try this tea? Is it good? Is it worth it? Anyways, thank you so much for being here with me. Of course, I will leave the link down to this beauty box below if you want to check it out. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.